This Little Rainbow, A Love is Love primer by Joan Holub and Daniel Rode. People come in a rainbow of styles, each with dreams, hopes, and smiles. Lesbian, trans, bisexual, queer, gay, celebrate this great community today. This little rainbow was a genius long ago. He was a great artist and an engineering pro. Leonardo da Vinci painted the famous Mona Lisa and The Last Supper, and could paint with his left or right hand. He was also a scientist, inventor, and architect who designed a flying machine. This little rainbow sang and danced on stage in a 1920s era called the Jazz Age. Josephine Baker would not perform anywhere African Americans weren't allowed to go. During World War II, she spied on Nazi enemies. This little rainbow helped discover the key that cracked a secret code mystery. Alan Turing came up with the big idea in computer science and AI. He played a lead role in breaking the Enigma cipher, which switched letters into radio messages to help end World War II. This little rainbow was an inspiration, one of the first elected gay officials in our nation. Harvey Milk was the first out person elected to public office in California. He helped pass an early rule for fairness in housing and jobs for LGBTQIA plus people. This little rainbow was at Stonewall Inn when trouble came for her and her friends. Marsha P. Johnson had style and a kind heart. She and Sylvia Rivera organized gay rights protests and created a group called STAR to help homeless trans people. This little rainbow was a rock superstar in a band called Queen, which had fans near and far. Freddie Mercury was a single songwriter who wore wild costumes. His song, Bohemian Rhapsody, was so long that some people thought it would fail, but it was a hit. This little rainbow launched a satellite as the first female astronaut on a U.S. space flight. Sally Ride helped design a big robotic arm and then used it to launch communication satellites from the Space Shuttle Challenger in 1983. These little rainbows are celebrated worldwide for creating two flags that are waved with pride. Gilbert Baker designed an 8-stripe rainbow flag to represent LGBTQ. It soon changed to 6 stripes. Daniel Kosar later added a multicolor chevron to be more inclusive. This little rainbow had amazing winning streaks. She was the top tennis player for over 200 weeks. Martina Navratilova is the only tennis player to win 74 matches in a row. One of the first out people in sports. She values living honestly and is a huge success. This little rainbow served strong and proud in the U.S. military, where trans soldiers weren't allowed. Shane Ortega, an Afro-Indigenous Marine and Army veteran, was the first person to openly transition during active duty. He speaks out for the fair rules for all people. Rainbows sparkle bright worldwide. Sharing support, respect, and pride. Little rainbows have big loving hearts. The end.